Hello again, this is another Volkswagen e-up video. This time is not very good video because we have a problem with the car. I've got this problem from my lovely wife. We have got a new scratch at the car and also at the rim, unfortunately. So I purchased this paint from eBay. I purchased also another paint from eBay for the rim, and we will try to repair this. So first of all, we will try to clean this. I have got here some baby wipes to take the dirt out. Okay, and here I've got something to make it dry. So let's say now it's clean. We will take this and we'll start painting. From one side it's pen, and from the other side it's yes. The color is not the same. This is pure white, but the car is not pure white. But it's better than before. We use the car a lot, and these problems are going to happen. Rita is helping me. This material is plastic, it's soft. We will paint only the black part. Okay, I think now it's better than before. Let's take a closer look. Looks better. It's not perfect, but not a big deal. So this was the video for today. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks for watching. Bye.